So my brush with imposter syndrome happened early. It started early, and it came in waves. It seemed like right in the beginning, there was that feeling of, I can't do this. What am I doing here? And then once I would tackle a subject, it would come back like, oh no, it's here again. What helped was really smacking imposter syndrome in the face. Because the nature of imposter syndrome is not to reach out, to not let anyone know that anything bad is happening. But what counteracts it is reaching out when you need help, letting it be known. Grand Circus has a great support system. You have your fellow classmates, you have an awesome teacher, you have TAs, you have the staff. Everyone here is rooting for you. So that helped me get over that imposter syndrome when it came in waves. Just be that squeaky wheel and hey, I need some help. You know, the TA, that's what Grand Circus, that's one of their strengths, is the family feeling. You can get the help. Just reach out. If no one knows you're struggling, then they won't be able to help you. Unfortunately, students, it's not going to go away. You're going to start a new job. You're going to get a promotion. There are new things always happening. So what's important is learning how to manage it. You are given the tools here at Grand Circus that you can use to conquer that feeling, that imposter syndrome feeling. Use them. If you feel like you need more tools, get the tools, and you can be successful. Just know that this will pass. You'll get through it. The months are going to go by. You'll have, at the end of the boot camp, you'll have experience, you'll have techniques, you'll have knowledge, you'll have it all. And you'll be able to go out into the world and with this package of good feelings and be confident in the world. So you'll get through it.